Hello my beautiful people, Coach Gaby here today with an awesome standing workout for the muffin top and belly fat. You're gonna love it, so let's get right into it. First, we're gonna do a little warm up starting with 5 big breaths, inhaling as your arms come up, fill in those lungs, make sound with your breath, really stretch here, and then exhale. Arms come down, very good. Inhale, 2. 3, 4, 5, last one, make it good, really fill those lungs. 6, exhale, let all that breath out, very good. Next we have some high knees, all right, bringing our knees up to us. All right, chest stays nice and proud, straight spine. All right, we're warming up the hips here, we're warming up the lower belly, we're working the lower belly here. Very good. Stretching the spine as well. When we bring our knee up, it stretches our lower back a little bit. Very good. Stay nice and upright. All right, we're not coming down to our knees. Our knees are coming up to us. We're using our core muscles to bring our knees to us. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Last but not least, we have some jumping jacks or step jacks. Don't run away. All right, if we're not jumping today, you're going to step out, arms come up, and then repeat the other side. These are step jacks. If you feel up to it, go ahead and do some jumping jacks. All right, whatever feels most comfortable to you, whatever your body allows you to do comfortably, but challenge yourself if you can. Very good, nice tight core. And 3, 2, 1, together. And there is our warm up, very good. Moving on to our workout. 30 seconds on the clock. We are starting with a pull down march crunch. All right, so arms up, high knee comes down and we crunch. All right, up, crunch. Our knee goes between our elbows. If we can, boom, boom. Very good. Extend all the way back up before you crunch, all right? Don't kind of do this like in between middle thing where you don't go all the way up. No, extend all the way up and then crunch. Up and then crunch. Even if that means you have to go slower to steady yourself, to balance, to do the full movement, that's fine. All right, we got 30 seconds. That's the beauty of counting time and not reps, so you can do it at your own pace. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next we have an open, close, torso twist. This is fun. All right, nice strong stance, bending the knees. We're going to close one way, open, and then the other way. All right, really twisting your torso when you close. Go ahead, tap those hands together. All right, and making sure you're controlling yourself when you open here. We're not opening up our rib cage. We're not splaying out like this. All right, we're not going like this, boom. Tuck it in, bent knees, control. All right, there's a difference between this and this. All right, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, very good. Next we have cross to oblique crunch. We're gonna be doing one side first. All right, cross, oblique, cross, oblique. All right, so focusing on one side at a time. Taking your time, very good. Right here, we're using our core to bring the knee up to us, to twist. All right, we're not going like this. Again, keeping a nice upright position. Very good. Break it down, all right? Take your time. And 3, 2, 1, and switch, other side. Cross, oblique. Very good. Chin is up, nice tight core. That's what's gonna help you balance. Very good. Breathing. I know I sound like a broken record, but sometimes we hold our breath when we're focusing on something, but it's super important to remember to breathe and deliver oxygen to those muscles. And 3, 2, 1, and center. Very good. Last but not least, we have a high knee twist. All right, arms open, palms up, high knee, and you're gonna twist towards that knee. Boom, boom. Very good. Taking your time. Chin is up, chest is up. Very good. Remember that core is what's bringing your knee up to you and what's helping you balance. So check in time to time. Are you nice and engaged there? Is it loose? What's going on? Tighten it up. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, center. Celebrate, because set 1 is done. All right, moving on to set 2 right away. So big breath. Pull down, march, crunch. Let's get it. Remember, extend all the way up before you crunch again. Very good.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1. Arms open, open, close, torso twist, bend in the knees. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, open and release, shake it out, cross to oblique crunch, one side, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and switch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and center, release, very good. High knee twist, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it. Very good. Wiggle it out. Set 2 done. Get ready for set 3. Big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Remember, extend all the way up before you crunch again. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Arms open, open, close, torso twist, bend in the knees. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, open and release, shake it out, cross to oblique, crunch one side, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and switch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and center, release, very good. High knee twist, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Awesome job with those 3 sets. Now we're gonna do a nice cool down and stretch, starting with 5 big deep breaths. Inhale, arms come up. Very good, and 2. 3. 4. 5. Last one, make it good. Inhale. Exhale, very good. Next for some side reaches. All right, nice bigger stance. We're gonna go all the way around. Really reaching, feeling that stretch here on your side. You can have your arm here on your hips or reaching down towards your foot. Very good. And coming up, other side, reach, 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 over. And enjoy, very good. Alrighty, very good. And coming up in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that felt good. All right, ending it with a cat cow. You could do this kneeling on your hands and knees. You could do this even sitting down or standing. All right, choice is up to you. We're going to arch, 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 look back all the way, roll those shoulders back. Squeezing those shoulder blades together, really pinching everything together, and then doing the opposite, rolling everything forward, concaving in. and holding each position for a few seconds. Very good. Really exaggerating these movements, feeling the stretches, enjoying the benefit. Alrighty, and last one. 3, 2, 1. Rolling up, one vertebrae at a time, shoulders, and then head up last. Very good. And there we have it, our full workout with a warm up, 3 sets of an exercise, cool down for belly fat and muffin top. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Let me know where you're tuning in from. We have people from all over the world. I always love to see where everyone is watching from, and I hope to see you on the next one. Mwah.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.